This is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. On the daily time frame, almost nothing changed since my previous video. Bitcoin continues to consolidate and the volatility is dropping lower and lower, which is usually a stage before an explosive price move to the up or to the downside. The question is, where will it break out, up or down? My opinion is that it is going to break to the upside, and I will explain why. We can see that 43,250 is a formidable resistance level, and every time Bitcoin tries to break above 43,250, there is a lot of selling pressure keeping the price below this level. However, this selling pressure is having a reduced effect every time because Bitcoin keeps making higher lows and higher lows. So, in my opinion, it is only a question of time until the sellers will be exhausted and this pattern will break out to the upside. The target for this ascending triangle is for a bit more than 4%, which puts us at 45K. Now, if we take a fixed range volume from the 38,500 low until now, we can see that the point of control, meaning the point in which we have the most buyers and sellers, at the 43K level. So Bitcoin has to hold first the 43K level before it can continue its journey to the upside. However, it will be difficult above 43K because initially, we have the 43,250 resistance level. Following that, we have the value area high at 43.6, and above that, we have the 50% of the range at 43.8. So it's not going to be easy, but my trading plan remains the same, meaning that if Bitcoin will be able to hold the 43,250 level with a retest, successful retest, of course, this is where I will take my first long position. It will be a small position initially, and if Bitcoin will get above 43.8 and hold it, this is where I will add to my position for a continuation. What are my targets? My initial target is 46K. Why is my target 46K? Because we have the January 12th candle, which is imbalanced, meaning this candle consists primarily of sellers and no buyers, and I'm expecting price action to rebalance this candle, and I think this is the first step. First step will be to 46K. However, above 46K, we also have a lot of liquidity in the form of this wick, which also represents selling activity, and this week also needs to be rebalanced, and it should get us to 47,500 or even 48K, no problem. Um, the question is the low in, and are we going to the upside from here? Yes or no? Will depend a lot on Bitcoin's price action once it crosses 43.8. Because if we will see impulsive and strong price action to the upside, I think that the momentum will shift and everyone will stop entertaining ideas of a cheaper Bitcoin. And in that case, we could be going up straight away. If the price action above 43.8 will be uh, corrective in nature, like we see inside this ascending triangle, then I will be more inclined to believe that we are only going to rebalance the 46K candle, and following that we may continue to range, to consolidate, or even go lower. But first, I want to see this ascending triangle break, and I want to see 46K, and above 46K, I will re-evaluate the situation. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.